67 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. Clean Carfax, 2-owner vehicle. No accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, 21,749 on the odometer right now. Of course, a 6.2 liter underneath the hood. That's paired up with an 8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shift. As we take a look at the front nose dome, front fascia. As you can see, nice shape. Cameras up front. This is a 2LT Z51 car, and it will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Sharp gray metallic with black leather. Speaking of calling in, you can do it at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. See, it's riding on Michelin Pilot Sports. The slotted rotors up front, obviously part of the Z51 package. Black wheels look great with the sharp gray metallic. Also, you can see the black highlights on the rearview mirrors, inserts in the hood, side panels. Nice looking Stingray. Here's take a peek at the interior. Of course, leather seats, heated and cooled seats. Selective ride control in the center console as well as that shifter. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Center dump exhaust. This does have the body color to match. Removable roof panel, and that is in the trunk of it. Just want to do the video with it out. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures, and you'll be able to see underneath the hood. Trunk, top in, top out. Undersides. UniqueClassicCars.com. Let's take a look down the driver's side. You can see the car is not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Passenger side shows well also. It does have navigation, performance recorder on it. A lot of options in the 2LT package. Of course, I'm only hitting on a few of them. Bose stereo system. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt and cruise, driver's information center. All the steering wheel controls for running what you need to. We're going to fire it up, let you hear it run too. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. And let's see the exact miles here. You can see down there, 21,749. No warning indicators, check engine lights, service engine soon, anything like that. Just the flashing seat belt indicator since I don't have it on. So it have the heads-up display also. Top of the dash looks good. Dual climate control, actually electronic dual climate control. And as you can see, the seats are also in nice shape. We'll take a little closer look at the driver's seat. I get out. Bolsters, leather, very little wear. What you'd expect in a 2-owner car with low miles. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Nothing crazy over the top. Nice sounding Corvette. Let's go ahead and pop this hood. Take a peek at that engine bay. There it is, 6.2 liter. Look how nice and clean that hood liner is. The car's not been driven in inclement weather. Nice and clean and tidy. And remember, we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to take a peek at this, maybe you can't make it yourself. Due to time or distance, not a problem. But low miles, 2-owner, clean Carfax. Nothing to hide on this one. Remember, at the end, you're going to have a little driving video, see what it's like to go down the road in this car. 2016 Chevrolet Corvette. 2LT Z51 Sharp Gray Metallic. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below the video if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2016 Chevrolet Corvette Z51. We have an automatic on the center console, or you can manual paddle shift. Currently have it in sport mode. You can change your mode for driving experience. Very good acceleration, as you might expect from a Z51 Corvette. Only wish that the road were longer and there were no speed limits. If you do see some flickering from the lights on the dash, that's the frame rate of our camera. That's nothing to do with the car. The car is fantastic. All our gauges are looking good. Great sounding stereo in this car. Perfect alignment. We have on steering controls. Really designed for performance handling and creature comfort. Above me there is a target top that you could remove and go topless. Such a great exhaust sound. I mean, it corners perfectly. It's basically a new car. What's not to like? Bose sound system. Great Corvette. Look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com. Give us a call.